Years ago, students, they really didn't have much in the way of experience. And so this very intense experiential thing was something that resonated with all of us. So we voted for the senior trip that night and never turned back. There's a certain amount of discomfort, but there's a whole lot of enjoyable experiences. So the discomfort just kind of makes people understand better what they are capable of. It just kind of brought them together even more. The fact that the seniors and the faculty that are with them go through the same experiences, for me, that was one of the most important things. Senior trip is definitely a way for the seniors to come together just before graduation in a way that wouldn't be possible by any other means. And hopefully they learn a respect for the outdoors and they can make decisions that'll be better for the earth.